Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GC and page so meeting ede adwoa search you. Mesra na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Omo ye mistakes a. Momo mo ninyi.
Ni ahun sepa yen. Nyakati awosoro.
Oh. Me 2024 no. Me hunu how John Mahama be winning elections we yo.
Na someone si krom ha. Former president. Untimi mahowa.
Just say na akwesi de obai.
Obere.
So no nam krom ha.
Wa me tell 2 for cry na afọ so campaign. Na this man here anyway. What back from her and the delegate go share for one. Now mistakes be because you are. One of problem.
Mo mistakes.
I did 6 months kwa wanko.
Me say
on ni yiri di birthday.
Me say.
Njonko.
Abu. Abu. Sir, over be campaign wa no. Wa go to for. Yes sir. Otumfo di ade. Kwankwan kwacha no. Yes sir.
Where's your
and okoye campaign ewo savannah dia bokwa kwacha yebonwura. Nyame adom ye de fofresi. Kama. Emra honorable Jawula Efrimono enra omoye amamre kama ya choose new person ono so o take over enti uko savannah ehode bukwa yi hu akire bukwa kwakwachia ansan wa show campaign ase
Meseme ru ameho
ahwa ntonko so no munye mistakes sa if you say yen udra santimemu a na se so wo ranki ba bia yakoma eni etumi nyina sha e sha banhia and Asantini bia nim said that is what it is honi yakoma ye sunsum eni bibia honi she onya Asantini dia is a different matter. But ye womo nya santefo a womo atena santia acha almost so many agene the same thing.
Yeah.
What you say? Na oninam
afwano ne
afwano kwa the self producer e wachiri oninam abu akwa ne inshaye so no mo haya
na o tu afa kakra
kwa dia de wan kwa kwachia
ubebu komia fiada nwumere
wan kwachia marketi ashe. And as you see on my Facebook, look at the way omo ayashe bam mamud baomia or consolo omo. And look at the feeling, look at the emotions. Me say, a crabie ni wa chese John Dramani Mahama versus Mahmoud Bawumia. John Mahama be winning that. I can't figure out.
Now, now Christianity, do we really understand Christianity? I doubt it. I doubt we understand Christianity. Samson Nana Adesi Masrel Nama Paucho say Biewa Junimu Kakra. Biewa Junimu Kakra because under a Christian president in Nigeria, Boko Haram was there. Utiye. In a Christian government where the head was a Christian, Boko Haram was still operating. And it will not be Dr. Bawumia coming to be president that is going to bring Boko Haram. And in any case, why are you people worried about Boko Haram? You think Boko Haram have time for Ghana? When you people have breeded or have brought forth stupid people more than Boko Haram, what is more stupid than a citizen of a country calling for constitutional overthrow? Mr. Adesi, Nyan Sabe the woman says citizen or Ghana be percent to kwabe sini krom. Pepe so be kwa yes sabi demonstration and ajo ebe kro no ankasa nit you. That is more stupid and deadlier than the Boko Haram who are looking for better sports, not this chicken change that we are having in Ghana. Not to say that the security must not be on alert. But never in your life say because we have a Muslim president, that means that Boko Haram is coming. That Boko Haram only goes to where Muslim presidents are. Does Boko Haram only affect where Muslim people are? Sometimes we need to talk like mature people. Sometimes kasa kasa anom. Because some of you is a latoji no dorso. No fusu kasa yellow no 6 months de ne bi anko bi no mu anum. Entuma Jimmy. Because how on earth do you say if you choose a Muslim president, Boko Haram is going to be the case? And now let me tell you, Bawumia is the most peaceful Muslim I have ever seen. He is peaceful than Duncan Williams. He is peaceful than a friend is saying Otabel. He is peaceful than Ajinasari. He is peaceful than over 85% of the Christian leaders that we love. Those are even cherished. Do you understand? He is more than all those people. He is more tolerant. Utie, Bawumiano, or you're more tolerant than all the pastors put together in Ghana. Because he is the only one that does not say, because I read Quran, everybody must read Quran. Yeah, though I read Quran didn't stop me. There was nowhere written in Quran that as me being how do you call it? Me being somebody who is a Quranist or who believes in the Quran, I cannot go to church. He does not say Christians can worship. Why? Because he is taking after who? He is taking after the chief imam. Because if the chief imam can celebrate his birthday with Christians, who are you? Who can Quran they wear Jamai? Utie. If the chief imam, who is your leader? Utie. If the chief imam, who is the leader, can even celebrate his birthday with Christians, who are you? Quran chapter 1 unimika edini kekeneda also as a Muslim. Roto. Mampaye huni. Jabasa. We have to be careful. Mutie. And again, I do not support Bawumia because Sabi ofri srem intine srem ni bedi ade debi. Me support Bawumia because that's why so free sremu a enye ho na me fi enokre. That's why say wo ye kremoni na me ye Kristo ni enokre. Na me Kristo fo asofo pese o mo kire me say sabe na de kremo nye. Enti kremoni ntumi ni ade. Despite all of that, or was something that every leader must have, which is what? Thinking outside the box, generating solutions. Thinking outside the box, generating solutions. And that is why I choose. Utie, that is why I choose to support Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia, who me say that face to face, who me that me who na TV so. I'm not even sure he even knows say I support him. He probably doesn't even know. He probably doesn't even know say there's this guy going crazy for you in Canada.